Hey, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool underline here, and basically what this is a surge protector power strip. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here, and we see we do have 12 AC option. And you guys can see on the bottom there is some more stuff, which are basically these options in the bottom. So if you do need those different options, then this is actually a pretty good investment. And right here in the back, they do provide some more stuff about the product. And we see the protection that's on here is pretty high. But first, I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so let's do take it out. First, the inside they do provide the warranty paper. And then right here, you can see we do have the actual product. So you can see how the bottom they do have the protection layer. If you guys do take it out, that is basically what the bottom part looks like. And right here, they do have a little warning label. So just leave that on the side. But you see how it does label in and out, so that way you know which one to put it in. And then for this part right here, it's basically the cable management option if you guys do want to use it, which is pretty cool how they do provide that option. So as don't put it back inside, just go like this. And that is what the product looks like. Top part right here, you see we do have the brand logo. And right here on top, they do show you guys whether or not the product is protected and grounded. And as you have the product right here, you can see we do have the different outlet. So there is a total of 12 of them. And you can see the way how they design is actually pretty cool. This part right here is all cramped up. But for the side right here and the side right here, it's spaced out. So that way, if you guys do plug in big outlet, that won't be an issue on the side. And then for the middle part, you probably unplug in like the smaller cables. And right here, we do have the cable, you can see it's 3-prong. And the length of the cable is 8 feet. And when you guys look at the product from the side, it's actually pretty slim. It's not that bulky, which is pretty cool. And then right here is basically what the back part looks like. And you see the way how they design it, they do have an option for you guys to hang on the wall if you guys do want to. Same thing for this side. And we see for the top part right here, we do have the switch for it to turn it on or turn it off. I believe the way how they designed the product, it definitely has all the protection built in. So that way when it does overheat or something, it will shut off by itself. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's plug in cable to show you guys whether or not the product works. Alright, so once you guys do plug it in, if you guys do turn it on, and you see the light does turn on, so that means protected. So now let's plug in something inside to test it out. So right here I do have my portable power bank that also works as a wall charger from the Anchor brand. If you guys do plug it in, once you guys do plug it in, eventually it does work. And if you guys want to use the other outlet at the same time, feel free to do so. So for example, if I do unplug it, if I plug it in the middle, eventually that does work as well. So whether if you guys want to use one of them or if you guys want to use all 12 of them at the same time, you definitely have the option available. And like I mentioned earlier, the way how to design the product, if you guys want to plug in something bulky like this, you probably don't want to plug it in the middle. It's probably better for you to plug it on the side, because you can see how much space it weighs when you guys put it right here, and now you guys can use the other outlet in the middle. So that is definitely something to kind of consider when you guys use the outlet. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality power strip that has like the surge protection, overcharge protection, and etc. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously with those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.